Nafe-feel mo rin ba yon? Na parang minsan, you don't feel like yourself? Sisi, unang-una, what you're feeling is normal. Okay lang yan. Nangyayari din yan sa lahat. So, kalma muna tayo. Inhale. Exhale. Yes, maraming araw na sobrang nakaka-drain. Di mo alam kung matatapos pa ba to? And you don't feel like your best. If you're being too hard on yourself, mas mahihirapan ka to do things, plus, mas mababa pa yung energy mo. Believe me, I know what it feels. The feeling is mutual. Kaya nga bibigyan kita ng tips na pwede mong i-apply to make you feel better. Number 1, give yourself time. Huwag mong madaliin yung sarili mo para maging okay. Alam mo na normal lang yung nararamdaman mo ngayon. Kahit yung mga strongest soldiers, napapagod rin. Life can get overwhelming, so take the time you need. Take some rest, humiga ka lang, at huwag kang magigilty doon. Kailangan mo rin magpahinga. Number 2, get a journal and write down everything. Lahat ng nararamdaman mo, every emotion, every bad, negative feeling, ilabas mo lahat yan. Through journaling kasi, you're able to process your emotions. Nakaharap mo siya, and you are able to see kung saan ba siya nanggagaling. And number 3, please, please, please. If there's one thing na dapat mong gawin, do not stop your self-care. I know parang ayaw mo nang gumalaw, ayaw mo nang bumangon, sobrang bigat ng pakiramdam. Pero, pilitin mo pa rin mag-shower, mag-skincare, o magbasa ng libro. Once na-overcome mo yun, it will lift you up, and eventually, it will help you feel better. And lastly, do something to make someone feel better. If you make others feel better, it will instantly make you feel better. That someone can be your friend, asawa mo, anak mo, partner mo, magulang mo, or kahit hindi mo kakilala. You can start by reposting this video. Hindi mo alam, you might reach someone who needed to hear this today. You got this, sis! I love you!